Good morning, students. Till yesterday, we have studied about mirror formula and proof of mirror formula. Now, the mirror formula is used to solve the numerical problems. So, to solve the numerical problems, we should know about sign convention. So, we have discussed sign convention here. See, I have taken a concave mirror here and I have drawn two axes, x axis and y axis. The distance from pole to the positive axis of x axis is always taken as positive distance, and the distance from pole to the negative axis of x axis is always taken as negative distance. The height of object is always taken as positive, and the height of image is always taken as negative. Now here I have discussed about concave mirror. The object distance is always taken as negative because this is a concave mirror. We put object here, so this distance is always as negative. The focal length is always negative. Here somewhere lie focal length, so this distance is always negative. Image distance is positive for virtual image. If the image is formed here, that is for virtual image, it is always taken as positive, and the image distance is real. Image distance is negative if the distance, if the object, if the image is negative. Sorry, if the image is real. The height of object is always taken as positive, and the height of image is always taken as negative. But for virtual image, the height of image is positive and the height of image is negative for real image. Now let's, for concave mirror, the object distance is always negative. See, this is your concave mirror. Here is focal length, here is center of curvature. Here object is placed, then object distance is always negative. Focal length is always positive. See, this is here focal length, this distance is always positive. Image distance is always positive. Here image will form, so image distance will also positive. Height of object and height of image will always taken as positive because only virtual image can be formed. Now, what is linear magnification? The ratio of height of the image to that of the height of object is called linear magnification or transverse magnification, or you can just say as a magnification. It is denoted by m. Formula is m is equals to hi by ho, where hi is height of image and ho is height of object. In terms of image distance and object distance, the ratio of image distance to that of object distance with negative sign is called magnification. So m is equals to minus v by u. So we get the relation from first and second. This is the first and this is second. We get relation m is equals to hi upon ho equals to minus v by u. Now I have used this formula to solve the numerical. See, question saying a 5 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a concave mirror. This is your concave mirror and the 5 centimeter tall object is placed. This is object to the concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. Let the focal length here, and this is 20 centimeter. The distance of the object from the mirror is 30 centimeter. This is the object. This distance is given 30 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of the image. See, the height of object is given 5 centimeter. So this is the height. So it is taken as positive. Focal length is taken as negative because this is negative distance. Object distance is also taken as negative because it is negative distance. So minus. Putting the values, 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u in mirror formula. 1 by f 1 minus 1 by 20 equals to 1 by v minus 1 by 30. This value is minus, so in negative, so plus minus minus, so 1 by 30. Solving, transferring this 1 by 30 minus 1 by 30 towards this, towards left and right hand side. So On solving, we get v is equals to minus 60 centimeter. Now to find value of height of image, we are using relation this hi upon h is equals to minus v by u. Hi we have to find, ho is given 5, v is given 60 and u is given minus 30. Minus minus gets cancelled out, 31 is 30, 32 is 60. So we get hi is equals to 5 to the 10, this is minus sign, so minus 10 centimeter. That is, the image is real and inverted. Next question, see what next question says. Next question says that Rohit place a pencil perpendicular to principal axis in front of converging mirror. As you know, converging mirror is also known as concave mirror of focal length 30 cm. Same focal length is given. Now the question is here says the image formed is twice the size of the pencil. जो इमेज बन रही है वो दुगनी बन रही है किसकी, जो पेंसिल के साइज है. कैलकुलेट द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम द मिरर. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन वी नो v is m is equals to minus v by u is equals to h by hi upon ho. So we know v by u is equals to minus, since the image is real, so we are taking the object is positive and the image is real, so we are taking negative sign. So minus minus get cancel out, then v is equals to 2u. We get v is equals to 2u. Now focal length is given minus 30 centimeter. You have to first of all you have to know this is the most important. What it says, that is, it is given magnification, that is 2. You can directly use magnification m is equals to minus v by u. So for that you will see you are using minus 2 sign because of negative sign of height of image and height of object. One is always taken as negative, so that is negative sign will come. Focal length is negative 30 centimeter. Putting values, v is, in place of v you are taking, we are using 2u, so 2u I have kept and u as usual u. On solving we get u is equals to 45 centimeter. This is the image object distance 45 centimeter, and putting value of u in this equation v is equals to 2u, we get the image distance minus 90 centimeter. So this is the proper way to solve the numericals on mirror formula. Thank you.